How to fix Instagram video selfie verification not working. Hey there, if you're having trouble with Instagram's video selfie verification not working, don't worry. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to fix it. So let's get started. First of all, check your internet connection. So ensure you have a stable internet connection. Slow or weak internet can interfere with the verification process. Second of all, try updating Instagram. Make sure you're using the latest version of Instagram, so go to the App Store or Google Play Store and check for updates. Third of all, you can try clearing cache. So if you're on Android, try clearing Instagram's cache. Go to Settings, Apps, Instagram, Storage, Clear Cache. Fourth of all, you can try different lighting. So poor lighting can make it hard for Instagram to detect your face. Ensure you're in a well-lit area with your face clearly visible. Now check your camera, so make sure your camera is working properly and that Instagram has permission to access it. To do this, go to Settings, Privacy, Camera and enable Instagram. You can try reattempting the verification at a later time, or if none of this works, try contacting Instagram support so you can reach out to them via the app or website for further assistance. And that's it. Follow these steps to get your Instagram video selfie verification working. If this helped, make sure to like and subscribe for more quick solutions.